See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, same to same 15. This all plate same number, same size, number this one, plate number this one, and size this one. So this one here making easy. This one old program, this one also me making. I am making this one also. I am cancel, and this one going to making shape manager here, and coming here rectangle, this one, and here some function have. First I will give you width, this one width 383. So I will give you here, I will give here 384, 1 mm extra, okay already. And height here 1190, here 1191 already have, because this one before making, so already have. So here coming only 6, and here need this 3, and 1 2 3 4 5. So here going to here, and give here 5, this one coming 5, and now okay, this one okay. So program making and coming this one main display. Now this machine need plate corner, so I am going to plate corner and need alignment. So I will show you how to alignment. Now my machine coming to plate corner, now need alignment. So I am going to current part option, alignment, laser coming this area. So I will tell you my helper, that guy check laser point and need like corner, this one, like this one corner. So I will telling my helper. दिवेश थोड़ा लेजर देखो पहले. This one second corner, my helper guide me where need a laser pointer. Okay, now complete my alignment. This one is speed control, slow and fast. Now coming to a starting point, and alignment complete. After alignment complete, and no need anything, only a start button need press. This one 2 plate already cutting, so my helper unloading. Now alignment complete. I will here have a start button, only push this one and start coming. Here too much smoking coming, because this one 200 ampere nozzle. So 200 ampere nozzle use like 20 mm and 30 plate, 20 and 25 plate cutting. But now no have according 8 plate cutting nozzle. So I will use 200 ampere nozzle. If I am use 130 ampere nozzle, so no coming too much smooth. Now no sense touch, so I need some small forward and start. So I am coming here and need a small forward. This one forward button and this one backup button. So a small forward and push this one. Now automatically start. See. And night shift, this one something big factory. No have anybody and no have any worker now. Only plasma machine running now. No have anybody here. Only 2 people. Have more people, but painting area and security guard and forklift operator. And here have one more plate cutting system machine. So this one plasma machine, and this one FISIP typo machine. This one something advanced machine. So this one also I am learn. Maybe 75% already learn this one. Need training, but no have time because this one only day shift running. And one more machine here. This one especially oxy-full machine. Oxy-full means only gas cutting system. No here plasma. I will show you. This one have here 6 torch. This one torch and 5 this area. This area 5 torch. This one especially for flange cutting, like this one plate here. Here need only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece cutting. So start here. This one 5 piece dividing.